Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to our science class again. Is everybody here? Okay, I am glad to hear that. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a quick review. What state of matter has definite or certain space? Who wants to answer? Okay, the answer is solid. It occupies space. And what characteristics did the solid substance have? The solid has size, shape, color, and texture. So let's proceed to our new topic, which is connected to our last topic, which is changes that materials undergo. Changes in solid materials when bent, pressed, hammered, or cut. In this lesson, the objectives we're going to attain are: letter A, the learner should be able to analyze the alteration of solid materials from original features to new appearance. Letter B, the learner should be able to participate actively in every group activity and discussions about changes that materials undergo. And the last, the learner should be able to execute the different actions in changing materials. So let's find the different words that related to changes in solid materials in the puzzle below. Cross out the word. So I will give you a couple of minutes to answer that. Are you done, class? Okay, let's find out. Okay, number 1 is hammer. Number 2, strike. Okay, very good. Number 3, tear. Okay, that's right. Crumple, twist, stretch, cut, press, color, bend. Okay, those actions can alter the materials, which is solid materials. Okay, the next is guess the picture below. Number 1 is clay, eraser, stone, bond paper, ruler, ring. Last is color, straw, banana, and tansan. Ito po yung mga materials na kadalasang ginagamit kung saan ating ina-apply ang mga action para ito ay mabago to change direction from angular or straight to curve. Pressing, the act of exerting a strong pressure. This is the example. Hammering, the action of hitting materials or any surface. And the last one is cutting. Use different actions that are appropriate for each these 10 solid materials. So number 1 is clay. This is the action that are appropriate to use: pressing, bending, cutting. Sa eraser naman is cutting. Sa stone, hammering. Sa ring is hammering and pressing. Sa bond paper is cutting, bending, pressing. Ruler is pressing. Sa crayon is pressing and cutting. Plastic straw, cutting, bending, and pressing. Plastic utensils, cutting and pressing. And the last one is tansan, hammering. Those action is the way to can alter the materials. Let's have a free activity. Observe the changes. Let's see. Put yes if change and no if it does not change. We have a piece of banana and we can apply the press, hammer, cut, and bend. Let's flash. In pressing, shape, yes, it changed. Texture, no. Color, no. Size, yes. And sa hammer naman is, the shape is changed. Texture, yes. Color, no. Size, yes. Sa cut is, the shape is changed, yes. Texture, no. Color, no. Size, yes. Sa bend naman is the shape is changed. Texture, no. Color, no. Size, yes. Let's have a group activity. We have a different observation. In group 1, press each of the given materials. Observe what happens to each of the materials. Sa group 1 ay mayroong modeling clay, paper cup, banana, pandesal. Ang gagawin po nila dito is press. Sa group 2 naman, ang gagawin nyo is hammer each of the given materials. Observe what happens to each of materials. Group 2 have a block of wood, empty tin can or lata, paper clip, and ring. Sa group 3 naman is bend each of the given materials. Observe what happened to each of the materials. Ang materials naman po na kanilang gagamitin ay plastic ruler, paper clip, metal spoon, rubber slipper. At sa group 4 naman, ang gagamitin nyo ay bond paper, straw, paper clip, and ponytail. And ikakat nyo ang bawat material and i-observe nyo kung may pagbabago ba dito. So, let's present your observation. Based on group 1, the observation is, in modeling clay, the texture, size, and shape are changed. Sa paper cup naman, the texture, size, and shape are changed. Sa banana, the size and shape are changed. Pandesal, the size and shape are changed. Let's proceed to the group 2 presentation. This is their observation. Block of wood, the texture is changed. Empty tin can or lata, the texture, size, and shape are changed. Paper clip, the texture changed. Ring, the texture, size, and shape are changed. In group 3 presentation, the observation are plastic ruler, no changes kapag ito ay binend. Paper clip, the size and shape are changed. Metal spoon, the size and shape are changed. And the last one is rubber slipper, no changes. And the last group we will present is group 4 presentation. Bond paper. The observation is the size and shape are changed. Sa straw, the size changed. Paper clip, the size and shape are changed. And the last one, the ponytail, the size and shape are changed. Last, what is the importance of the changes of solid materials in our daily activities? Okay, who wants to share? Okay, that's right. We can alter what shape, texture, size, and color we wanted to do in the solid materials for the product to be produced properly. Mahalaga na ating gamitin ang iba't ibang uri ng action para magawa natin ng physical appearance ng isang solid materials kung natin gawin ng texture, size, color, or shape. Okay class, let's evaluate this question kung talagang nakuha natin ang ating discussion. Number 1, solid can retain their shape without a container. True or false? Who wants to answer? Okay, the answer is true. Number 2, a definite shape that cannot be changed is one of the characteristics of solids. Who wants to answer? Yes. What is your answer? Okay. Number 2 is true. What does not happen when solid materials are pressed? Letter A, their size may change. Letter B, their texture may change. Letter C, a new shape may be formed. Letter D, a new material may be formed. What is the answer? Okay, the answer is letter C. Number 4, which of these materials cannot be bent? Letter A, hair. Letter B, nail. Letter C, paper. And letter D, stone. wants to answer? Yes, what is your answer? Okay, that's right. The answer is stone. And the last one is, which of these materials cannot be pressed? Letter A, dough. Letter B, marble. Letter C, marshmallow. And letter D, rubber slipper. Who wants to answer again? Okay, your answer is good. The answer is marble. Talagang nakuha nyo na ang ating discussion ngayon. Kung paano natin baguhin ng isang bagay ng naayon sa kanyang appearance or physical appearance. That's right, class. Before we end our class discussions, we have a assignment. Utilize 4 steps that should work with different types of materials and allow for the proper alteration to be made. Dito mga bata, maaari kayong kumuha ng iba't ibang bagay na kung saan ay pwede natin gamitin sa pagbabago. Dapat ay solid materials at ating i-apply ang mga action katulad ng bend, cut, hammer, and press. Okay, class? Thank you for your listening to our discussion. Goodbye!